Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on distance, speed and time worksheet. So this worksheet presents some problems on the areas of distance, speed and time. Now, in the lesson we saw that there was an equation which connected these three elements. And it was distance equals speed multiplied by time. So that's the important equation that connects those three areas. Now, with a simple manipulation of this equation, we can also write that speed equals distance over time and also we can write the time equals distance over speed. So these are the three equations we need to solve these 6 problems. And the important thing to remember finally is that distance is measured in kilometres, speed is measured in kilometres per hour, and the time is in hours. So they're the units we have to use for each of these equations. And finally, if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these. So quickly, what are we supposed to do? Number 1. A car travels at an average speed of 80 kilometres an hour for 5 hours. What is the distance travelled? We use this equation here. Number 2. A train travels at an average speed of 90 kilometres per hour for 80 minutes. What is the distance travelled? Again, we use this one. Number 3. A car travels 210 kilometres in 3 hours. What is the average speed for the journey? We use this one. Number 4. A bus travels 260 kilometres in 3.25 hours. What is the average speed for the journey? This one. Number 5. A truck travels 180 kilometres at an average speed of 60 kilometres per hour. How long did it take to complete the journey? We use this one. And finally, an athlete ran 800 metres in 2 minutes. What is his speed in kilometres per hour? And we go back to this one. Now remember, the important thing here is to change this to kilometres and change this to hours. That's the tricky part. So that will be a fraction of an hour. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice manipulating the equation so that we work out different elements of distance, speed and time depending on the question that we are given.